Alright guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another Misfits unboxing. Alright, eat delicious, eat Misfits. Let's see. Whoa, yes, look at that. Alright, so first, we've got this bag of organic blood oranges. That is going to be for juicing this week. I got another bunch of the random assortment of rainbow carrots. As you can see, it's just orange. Still magnificent tops, just like last time. We got 2 bunches of broccolini. I believe it's organic. Yes. This one is purple. Very nice. Here's a piece of carrot that broke off. You guys will have to excuse my sniffles. I sound like I'm getting sick. Also, my daughter is sleeping in the next room and she snores. So, we got a zucchini, 2 zucchinis, because I plan on making chocolate zucchini bread this weekend with these. I'm not juicing the carrots this weekend. I'm actually chopping them up and freezing them. We have some celery. I'm also going to chop this up and freeze it because my supply is running low for like soups and stuff. We've got some beets with beautiful, beautiful beet greens. These are the prettiest beet greens I've ever seen. Usually when you get them in the store, they're very sad looking. This is beautiful. Look at these big beets. I got 2 bunches of beets if you couldn't tell. Just look at these. How beautiful. And I got more carrots as per usual. I consume a lot of carrots. This one is a bag of organic 2-pound carrots. I'm going to be juicing some of these. I'll probably juice these and cut up the other ones for freezing. Got a bag of yellow onions, I believe. Just says onions, but I believe it's yellow onions. They are all of different sizes. There's some tiny ones in here. It does not matter because they're all going to get diced up and frozen. Oh yeah, we got a pineapple. So this is definitely not ripe. Definitely not ripe. But it's my favorite kind, the tropical gold. So, nice. We also got a nice looking mango. Very pretty. I love that color. And last but certainly not least, we got 3 little kiwis. I believe these are just normal kiwis. But yeah, that is not too shabby of a Misfits box. So my Misfits box this time around, everything was organic except for the pineapple. And it totaled out to about $58 and some change. That's with a $10 shipping fee included and like a $1 something operations fee. So overall, that's pretty good for all organic stuff. This is going to keep me going for the first better part of the month. Like I said, this is not all the produce I consume. I usually do the Misfits box to bulk up my produce selection, and then I'll get whatever produce I need. I usually buy groceries once a week. So this just kind of bulks out what I have, because it's always good to have extra. I usually end up not wasting produce as much as I run out, so it's nice to do. So if you're looking for something that's more sustainable, I would recommend it, especially if you get organic, because overall I feel like getting the non-organic stuff, it's not really worth it as much. But it's not a bad price for me. So this is my first box this month, and I'll probably order another one before probably like the 15th, maybe the 20th, I'll order a second box. But that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!